Hey now, Willie here from AFN, the Auto Flower Network. The delivery man just dropped off a package from the GreenSunShine company. It is my Electric Sky 300 LED lights. I am so excited, I can't tell you. Take out the box, nice and discreet as they promised. And inside there are two beautiful LEDs. I already took this one out of the shipping container because it's kind of heavy. But check it out. Special wideband LEDs, patented they say. Beautiful cover. Quite heavy. LED, aluminum back fins, heat sinks. It's a beautiful light. It's really gorgeous. I can't wait to try it out. Let me read you a little something that I got from the website about the lights. The ES300 is optimized for fast growth and high yield in big areas. The Electric Sky ES300 is a 300-watt wideband grow LED light that uses the newest spectrum and light distribution technology. The patent-pending GS1 wideband spectrum grows plants faster in veg and creates larger flower yields because it has an extended full spectrum through infrared. Easy for me to say. The linear lenses keep the light going down towards the plants, assisting in below canopy yield and preventing light loss to the floor or wall. Electric Sky LEDs expand to fit almost any size grow area. One unit creates a perfect rectangle of light. 2 units creates a square. I'm having 2 units to be put in my 4x4 tent. I can't wait to get them going. I'll get them trying up tonight. Thanks.